Hey guys, so I'm back today. I've uploaded so many times this week, it's insane. But ta-da! I finally got my Boxyluxe for this month. I did already open it. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm a mess. I also go pick it up at my aunt's house, and then we compare what we got. This month we got the exact same thing, which kind of makes me wonder like how common certain items were compared to the other variations. But let's jump right in. Okay, so I noticed that the box this time, like last time, it was flatter and like wider, does that make sense? And now it's like smaller but really tall. And that is because first item, we got this makeup bag. And I think if you like extend the makeup bag, it fits in the box perfectly, and I think that was part of the thinking behind the box. It's really cool. It's reflective, as you guys can see, but it's like a snake print. You can see that it's like gold coppery color. As far as I know, everybody got the exact same color, which is kind of boring, but that's okay. Number one, I'm not really into a lot of makeup bags, and number two, this just isn't my thing. So I'll be passing this on to probably my sister. Any hoosers? So then the next thing, oh, and that was $20. $20. The next thing is pretty exciting. It's the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer. And I need a really good moisturizer, so I'm so excited for this. I haven't opened up this box yet and felt it, so. Wow, exciting. It's actually really cute packaging, and like the top is all like beveled, embossed, whatever that's called. And it smells kind of citrusy with something else that I've smelled in a makeup product or like a skincare product before, and I can't remember what skincare product it was. It doesn't smell bad though, but I'm excited because there's a lot of product that comes in here. Like you can just tell it's like hefty, you know. Okay, that is $48. Which I honestly expected it to be more. I expected it to be like 80, 90, you know, something like that. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna like prop this up so maybe I don't have to look at it as much. Okay, so next in here is the Lily lashes. And I was so excited about these because all these big YouTubers and everybody else, like even Nikki Tutorials uses these lashes all the time, so I was like, they've got to be good. And I usually use House of Lashes right now, or Hawaiian Lashes, which I have a code for Hawaiian Lashes on Instagram, and I will link it down below. Okay, anyways, not sponsored. These are limited edition, so they don't have like a name, which I thought was really weird because I thought even if they were limited edition, they'd have some kind of name. But they're really pretty, so there's that. Then we got the Moda brushes. They're really soft, guys, especially this one. It's so soft. Anyways, they're kind of funny shaped. But this one's supposed to be like a little blender brush or something you can use for your highlighter. And then this one is for powder. Powder and Glow is what it's called. These retail for $30 together. Somebody said that this brand, Moda, is sold at Walmart, which I thought was interesting because usually a Walmart brand would not be included in a BoxyCharm because they use a lot more prestige brands than they do lower end brands. I don't live in a big enough area to know if they sell it at Walmart because it's definitely not at my Walmart. But $15 for one brush isn't uncommon. So I think I've even seen an e.l.f. brush for like $7, $8. That's like half the price of this. So if this was like higher end drugstore Walmart, I'd believe it. But people are making a very big fuss about that right now. So anyways, they're really soft and I love them. Okay. Always could use more brushes. So next in here is a Becca lipstick. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's in the color Sorbet, and it has one of those magnetic tops, which I love those. I think they're the best. They're just really entertaining. I think it'll be a good color on me. I haven't even swatched it yet, but I'm super excited for this. I'm going to put it in my drawer right now because I think I might do my makeup in a couple minutes and I'm going to use it. They put a lot of foam in the box this time, which I really appreciate, to keep your stuff all nice and warm. I'm just kidding. It's not to keep it warm. So next in here, the Cover FX palette. This is not what I thought this palette was going to look like. I just want to start off by saying that, like, this packaging is not what I expected for this palette at all. The packaging, I mean, don't get me wrong, it feels sturdy, but it doesn't feel prestige. Does that make sense? Like, I don't feel like this is a high-end brand just by holding this. It's sturdy, yes, but it just, I don't know. I just expected the packaging to be glitzy or something. I don't know. So it's got some pretty highlights in here, a blush, a contour, a finishing powder, and a brightener. What's odd is, I don't know if you can see this, the finishing powder right here, it's shimmery, like it has glitter in it. And most people, when they set their foundation, do not want glitter all over their face. You're gonna look like Edward Cullen or an alien or something. And then people are really confused on what brightener was. But what most people I've seen do is they put the highlighter on, and if it's not like blinding enough for them, then they'll put the brightener on top. I think the brightener would also be a really good like inner corner highlight. I don't use blushes, so I'm probably not going to use that. The design that they engraved in here, this little wavy thing though, it really is like really textured. I thought it was just lines drawn in it when I saw it on the picture, but it's actually like humps. So I think that that's really cool that they added that little bit of flair to it. So moving on. Wander Beauty Peel Off Brightening Mask. And I have grown to not like brightening masks. Or, well, no, sorry. Not brightening masks. I have grown to not like peel off masks because a lot of the peel off or wash off masks that I put on my skin burn me, which is weird because I've never had sensitive skin. I don't think I have sensitive skin. So I like just the sheet masks, even though they're like really ghetto and they fall off your face and, you know, all that fancy stuff. But I've seen people use this and it like looks, it makes their whole face look shimmery and it actually looks really pretty. So there's that. I was like, I swear there was more in there. I couldn't see it up against the edge. Okay, so the palette, the Morphe palette that I got is the 15N. It's called the Night Master palette. Honestly, when I saw the spoiler for this, I was super excited, but then I looked at the palette choice and none of the colors jumped out to me. Like, none of the palettes were like, yeah, I want that one. And that's what I see when I see this palette. It does have some pretty purples that the other ones don't have, so I guess it's nice. Oh no, I just put my finger in it, I think. It like this purple and this purple is really pretty. The cranberry is pretty. Not my favorite palette ever, the color wise, but I'll have to let you guys know how the formula is because I'm sure it'll be just like the Boss Mood palette, and I love that palette. All right, second to last thing in here, some little, what are these called again? Nail polishes. So 2 little nail polishes. Everybody got the same colors. Oh Donna and Modern Love by Deborah Lipman. Her last name is Lipman, and she makes nail polishes. That's ironic. Anyways, I'm not a big fan of nail polish, but I will say my aunt said that she painted my cousin's nails with this because they're little kids and they like touch stuff and all that crazy stuff and then they like mess them up. She said that she used this and they dried really fast. So that'd be really good. Then you don't mess up your nails all the time. I'm not sure if I'm keeping those just because I don't like nail polish. But last thing in here, I'm kind of freaked out about, like, am I excited about it or... So it is the iconic, oh, I didn't even show it to you guys. I just straight opened it. Iconic London. Ew. It's called Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. Now this is weird. When I saw this on the spoilers, I was like, we're getting what? It's like liquid. So this is what it looks like. And then you pull this little brush out and it folds. Ta-da! And so you have like an eyebrow brush and a spoolie. I didn't do my eyebrows today. I've been running around crazy today. Okay, and then you peel off this little sticker, and there's 2 shades. And what my guess is that, you know, the lighter shade you're supposed to put on the inner part and the darker shade you're supposed to put on the outer part. I'm very skeptical of liquid eyebrow products though. Like, don't know how I feel about that. Let me know how you guys feel about that. Oh, I quit telling you guys the prices. The Cover FX palette was $45. Oh no. Lily lashes are $25. The Becca lipstick, which I already put in the drawer, is $24. The Morphe palette is $16. The nail polishes are $20. The eyebrow cushion is $40. And the peel off mask is $34. So yeah, if you guys got this box, let me know what other variations you got in the comments down below. If you like this box, if you didn't, oh, and I forgot to say La Vie en Rose, or I don't know, something. I don't speak French. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here because I don't want it to be too long. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!